morning to one and all present here, respected Principal Ma'am, honorable teachers, parents, and my dear fellows. We all have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day of our motherland, which is annually celebrated on 15th of August with huge enthusiasm and zeal across the country. It is observed with flag hosting ceremonies. It is one of the important days in the whole year which India got independent. Every year we used to celebrate to remind our duties and responsibility towards our nation. I, Shruti Sharma and Shashank Pandey of class 12A here welcome you all to this auspicious occasion.
Prayer is talking to God, the Almighty, the creator of the whole universe. So let's start our assembly with the presence of God. Join your hand and close your eyes.
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु सिद्धबोधतु स्कन्द विनायक सविता पावक सविता पावक ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु ब्रह्ममस्तु यः वशक्तितु ईशु पिता प्रभुतु रुद्रविष्णुतु रामकृष्णतु रहिमतावोतु रहिमतावोतु ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूपतु चिदानन्द हरितु अद्वितीयतु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु सिद्धबोधतु स्कन्द विनायक सविता पावक सविता पावक ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण पुरुषोत्तम
Now I would like to invite our Principal Ma'am to give us some message to whoever present over here.
Dear students, good morning to you all. Freedom from fear is the freedom I claim for you, my motherland. A very happy 74th Independence Day to you all. You are aware that the country's freedom could be secured after years of struggle. The dawn of 15th August 1947 beheld an independent nation, pulsating with fervor, aspiring to scale the new heights, brimming with enthusiasm, to restore the glory and reclaim the title of Golden Sparrow for the nation. All these years we have been working towards these goals and succeeded too. Today, in various fields like science, technology, innovation, education, etc., we have made a dazzling and sparkling progress. Spirituality was always our forte, and we have led the world in this field. You, dear children, are the future torchbearers of the values and ethics for which our country is known. Today we face new challenges, and there has been a considerable paradigm shift too. During these trying times of corona pandemic, we need to show our patriotism and solidarity by wearing masks, maintaining social distance, avoiding social gatherings, sanitizing or washing hands regularly. But most important thing is to avoid going out. Let's show the world the power of Namaste and the power of our traditions, which motivate us to maintain the basic hygiene in a very simple way. Stay motivated, stay safe, and stay at home. Have freedom from any kind of fear, but do not be rash. God bless you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for such stimulating words.
Now, good thought give us positivity, gratitude, happiness, motivation, and as well as a path to succeed in our goal. So, now I would like to call V. Pratap Singh to represent the thought.
Good morning, everyone. I am Veer Pratap Singh of class 12A, and the thought for the day is: our nation is like a tree whose main trunk is Swarajya, and the branches are Swadeshi and Boycott. I repeat, our nation is like a tree whose main trunk is Swarajya, and the branches are Swadeshi and Boycott. By Subhash Chandra Bose. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Plato once said, music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, and flight to the imaginations. When we talk about India or the Indian culture, we cannot exclude the music, dance, or art from it. So here I request Devans Pandey to present a beautiful patriotic song, Teri Mitti.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से ऐ जाने वतन सो चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है हमसे न कभी ये भेद हुआ सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
For such a lovely performance. बाधाएं कब बांध सकी हैं आगे बढ़ने वालों को, विपदाएं कब रोक सकी हैं पथ पर चलने वालों को। With this, I would like to call our class teacher, Mr. Sanjay sir, with his self-composed poem, मेरा भारत महान।
Happy Independence Day and a warm welcome to everyone present here. This is Sanjay Kumar, class teacher of 12th A, presenting poem written by me, मेरा भारत देश महान। मेरा भारत देश महान, विश्व प्रेम हमको सिखलाता, इसमें जन्म है एक वरदान, मेरा भारत देश महान। दिया प्रकृति ने भारत को दान, कहीं जंगल तो कहीं रेगिस्तान, दक्षिण में है समुद्र की लहरें, उत्तर में हिमालय की चट्टान, हर जर्रा दे रहा अपना योगदान, मेरा भारत देश महान। ईश्वर का नाम लेना ये विशेषता है हमारी, ईश्वर, अल्लाह, गुरु, गोविंद, यीशु मिल जाएंगे, कश्मीर हो या कन्याकुमारी, कन कन में बसा है भगवान, मेरा भारत देश महान। चारों ओर हरियाली से जगमगाता है भारत सारा, इसी देश में बहती गंगा की पवित्र धारा, शीश झुका करे प्रणाम, मेरा भारत देश महान, मेरा भारत देश महान।
It's not simple to express your feelings in words, but sir, you did it. Really, a beautiful poem which describes the whole nation in few words and your respect for the nation. पंडित गया प्रसाद शुक्ल की कुछ पंक्तियां याद आ रही है। जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं पत्थर है, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। Do you know what does this word mean? Atmanirbhar Bharat? If you not, no worry. My friend Plaksha is here with a beautiful speech on this topic, self-dependent Bharat.
Good morning to one and all present here. I, Plaksha Kumari of class 12A, is here to represent a speech on the topic Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, of making India a self-reliant nation. Self-reliant nation doesn't mean cutting off from rest of the world, said Finance Minister, with the twin objective of reviving different spheres of the economic in downturn and insulating India from any future global economic downturn. In long run, the Abhiyan seeks to build capacities across sectors and promote local products. The youth are the future of any country, but India can take the lead over many countries. The fact that Indians are heading several MNCs shows that there is some knowledge and talent in country. However, the need of the hour is to upgrade the skills and upskill of the youth to meet the employment needs of 21st century and accelerate the pace of self-reliance. Based on the locally available resources, talent and skills of human capital, we must aim to gradually reduce import in every sector from crude oil to heavy machinery. During the whole period of pandemic, coronavirus were the center of attention. They give priority to their job than their life and family. They are the real superheroes of modern world. As a tribute, our government has decided to organize independence ceremony by honoring them for their noble cause. We, the citizens of India, must pledge to follow the instructions to make our country self-variable for becoming a global force to reckon with.
Amazing. The speech was really very heart-touching. Thank you, Plaksha, for this outstanding speech.
Over 100 years ago, the inspirational poet Subramania Bharati gave voice to our freedom movement and its expansive goals. In the following lines in Tamil, I quote: Mandaram Karapu, Vinaya Tandaram Karapu, Vanaya Allapum, Kandala Minaya Allapum, Chandira Mandalatu, Iyala Kandu Telivom, Sandhi Teru Perukum, Sattirom Karapu. This can be interpreted as: we will learn both scripture and science. We will explore both heavens and oceans. We will unravel the mysteries of the moon, and we will sweep our streets clean too. We will end this assembly with our national song. Thank you.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, जयज शीतलां शस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं कोटि कोटि कंठ कल कल निनाद करले कोटि कोटि भुजै धृत खर करवाले अबोला केनुमा एत बले बाहुबल धारिणीं नमामि तारिणीं रिपुदल वारिणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरं तुमि वेता तुमि धर्मो तुमि हृदि तुमि मर्मो त्वं हि प्राणाः शरीरे बाहुते तुमि मा शक्ति हृदये तुमि मा भक्ति तुम्हारी प्रतिमा गौरी मंदिरे मंदिरे वन्दे मातरं त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरण धारिणी कमला कमलदल विहारिणीं वाणी विद्यादायिनीं नमामि त्वां नमामि कमलाम् अमलाम् अतुलां सुजलां सुफलां मातरं वन्दे मातरं श्यामलां सरलां सुष्मितां भूषितां धरणीं भरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे